And you already know what time it is. They done sent Auntie another bag, honey. As you can see, she is brand spanking new. Ain't been open. We gonna do her together. Let me just go ahead and spoiler alert you right now. I have no clue what is in this box. I told the lady, I said, ma'am, choose it for me. Just choose the bag for me. I want the element of surprise. It's like a game. It's like looking for that egg on Easter, that Easter egg hunt, where you trying to find the one with the $20 in it. Okay, that's why I told them to choose the bag for me. So we're going to find out what it is together. You're going to find out my honest opinion right here on this camera right now, right here. Okay, now listen. One thing is for certain, sis, they package these bags so that they will reach you in pristine condition, okay? I'm just showing you the box because I was told people really care about the condition of the box. Because y'all know, y'all use these boxes for decor. I done said that before. Why? I don't know, honey. It's 2022. But anyway, that's your business, not mine. So look here. On the inside, it's pretty much the same thing. Look like I get this little mesh bag with all my authenticity paperwork inside of it. Okay, look at that. I get some ribbon with the logo on it. You see the logo right there. You see it, sis? Okay, so don't be asking me no questions about the bag. Okay, the logo is right there. So they sent me some receipts and paperwork in case, the man stopped me, I guess. I don't know. But I can whip this paperwork out and show them that, look, you see that, what? Back up now. Okay, yep. Okay, so I'm just showing you all the things, honey. I want you to know what you gonna receive if you order you one of the bags. Okay, so here I go fumbling with this paperwork, child. I don't know, just trying to get the paperwork in order, honey. There's a lot happening right now. I'm excited because I don't know what's in here. Come on, honey, hear it up. This is the whole point of it right here. Now look. Oh yes, look at her. I don't even know what she look like yet, but come on. Oh, Lord, I got to show y'all this gift bag because they care about the gift bag. I know somebody somewhere right now got one on display in their closet. Sis, it's 2022. Again, I ain't judging you. That's your business, not mine. Okay, so look, let me put all this stuff up and out the way. Okay, come on. Because I'm eager. I'm an eager beager right now. Girl, hurry up. Stop playing with all this stuff. And I don't know why I didn't edit this stuff out, but, oh, God, there I go with these papers again. Sharon, they didn't come here for that. They know. They get the papers in the bag and the this and the that. Just put the papers up. Girls, look, still fumbling with them. Ooh, child, I'm sick of myself right now. I'm sick of myself. I promise y'all I have 2 sips of wine. Put it up and get the bag, for goodness sakes. Look. Oh, Lord. Okay, here we go. Now, let me take the plastic out. More wrapping, which is a good thing because you want your bag to come unharmed, unscathed. Look at it. Look at this dust bag. Cute. Yep, I'm just checking it out, making sure everything looks good. Okay. Let's see what we got. What we get, sis? Ooh, what we got? I see some handles and stuff. I see an open mouth. Whoa, wham. Okay, so, we got a light colored ombre bag, similar to the bag. Okay, it's just a little bit smaller and it's light colored. Okay, let me try to get the wrapping off for you. Let's look at the straps. I'm going to look at how the bag is constructed as far as quality. That's all I'm giving you is how it is made. Okay, and so far it's made pretty much like the other one. Not bad at all. As far as the stitching goes, it feels good. Okay, I'm feeling on it just to, rub it on to see what it feel like. There's that stitching on the bottom, up close and personal. You be the judge, okay? Right away, I noticed that on this bag, they don't have the logo on the side as it is on the other one. Okay, so this one is made different. Okay, I'm just taking all the stuffing out. Make sure ain't nothing inside the stuffing. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so nothing's there, Sharon. Just toss it to the side. Okay, so the inside is light colored as well. Open, big, just like the other one. Right away, I see 2 little card pockets and a side zipper. and the logo right there as well. And then they have the little gold clasps that you can close the bag up so it don't be, you know, wide open or whatnot. And let's see, what is this here? This look like some bag candy. I don't know, just some kind of little something. Okay, all right, okay. It's just a little bag candy, just to tie it on your bag. I'm trying to see if I can't never figure out how to put them on, but anyway, okay, yeah. So the quality and condition of the bag is, it's okay. Like, it's well made as far as the stitching goes. The feel of the bag feels really, really good. Okay. I mean, now if you are a person who's afraid to get a bag dirty, this probably ain't the bag for you. Okay, girl, some more papers. Okay, get over there. This probably ain't the bag for you if you're that person. Like, you know, lighter bags make you a little bit self-conscious as far as the cleanliness of them, or even the inside of them. I'm an inside of the bag kind of a girl, so it's not that serious for me though. But I do know that they sell inserts that you can put in your bag so that you don't get the actual lining of your bag dirty. Okay, so okay, I tried to put that little candy on there, and I told you Auntie don't know what she doing. Let me take this off, and put that on the inside to later. Okay, so you get the long straps as well, and then you get the hand straps. Now listen, the test is, there's the test right there. You got to put that bag in that crook right there, and see what it makes you feel like. Do it give you power? Do it make you feel like no? So I want to show you what the other bag looks like in comparison to this bag as far as size. So obviously the black bag is a little bit taller and larger, of course. And again, see, that's the, on the side there I was talking about. They have the symbols on the side, but no, on this one they don't. So okay, it's made different, different time. I don't know. But yeah, this one is ombre. This one is all black. I also noticed a difference as well is on the black bag, the raised areas are a little bit more prominently raised as opposed to over here. It is raised a little bit, but not quite as prominent as the black bag. But you still get a little bit of the raisedness. The bag feels good. Man, I'm not even gonna lie. Feels good. It feels good. Yep. You're really not going to be able to see probably the size of the bag until I stand up here in just 1 second after I continue to look at it and touch it and rub on it and flip it upside down and do all the things to it. I mean, it's a cute bag. It's cute. It's cute. I mean, I don't not like the bag. I don't not like the bag. Let me just say that. The bag is cute, and it's giving summer, spring vibes because of the lightness. And the ombre-ness is cute too. I mean, this one is a little bit more in your face because you can see it now. You can actually see the symbol, as opposed to the black. You really had to like look at the bag to see that it was, you know, the bag or whatever. So let me stand up, sis. Okay. Here we go. Hold up. Because you need to see this. You need to see this. Now, I told you Auntie gonna give you, oh my. Don't bow your head. I know. You give me a chance to get to church, honey, before you go bowing your head. Even the camera know what I'm about to say. Now, right now, okay, listen. I told you all the specs on the bag and my feelings. There's different kinds of women, right? And there's different kinds of bags that go with the different kinds of women. Okay? Now, this bag right here is very pretty. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. It's giving spring, summer vibes, like I said. But for me, it's giving Easter Sunday. It's giving Easter Sunday. Now, she's really cute. And it is going to be, it's going to be a pleasure, you know, to put the bag up, the big bag, up into retirement for a little while and carry something smaller and something more. I'll be church lady first Sunday, Easter Sunday. I'll go with that vibe, hitting heel. I'm her. I mean, I just turned 48. This is giving cute 48-year-old lady, honey, that's got a little bit of cash in the bag. Okay, I'm trying to, excuse me, y'all. Let me get through that. Thank you. Oh, I'm not clowning this bag because trust me, you're gonna see me out in these streets with this bag, honey, okay? With the bag. Listen, sis, at the end of the day, you see the bag. You see her. You see her. You know if you like her. I told y'all I'm 5'7". So this is her to me. I mean, she ain't no teeny tiny bag at all. Don't think that. She's a decent sized bag, okay? She is not as humongous as the big bag, okay? And it's probably gonna take me some time to let her wow me as much as the black bag did, you know, because while I'm joking and all, trust me, she will be right here as I go out in the streets. Like, at the end of the day, it's a bag. It's a bag. And it's not that serious for me to care that it's this light color, right? I carry hand sanitizer, wipe things around with me anyway. So if I get a little dirt on it, I just wipe it off. So my review for the bag is, link will be down in the description of this video. If you are interested in one of these bags, okay, be sure to check the link down below. And just know that if you need to go through, just say, excuse me. Oh, you look nice. Excuse me. Let me get through here. Let me just go ahead and put this bag on, honey, for age appropriate at this time. Yeah, come on, Auntie. Auntie got to go get that lady off the floor. She thought that bag was going to save her, and it didn't. Come on, y'all. Let's go get her. I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.